Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Tippal Vaikode and my group members are Swaraj Sturge, Amit Yadav and Zulzar Shrikant. We are students of 3rd year Electrical Engineering, Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune. Our project topic is Python programming. Python is interpreted, object-oriented and high-level programming language. Let's see how to run program.
First, go to File menu, then click on New here. Then I will write a code of Python. So here, that first thing I would like to get the taxable income amount from the user. So enter taxable income. If income is less than or equal to 2,50,000, going to the variable for the tax is equal to 0. I am going to make elif statement. Elif is keyword that allows to check multiple expression for true and execute a block of code if income less than or equal to 5 lakh. The tax remainder of the income is just going to be the income minus 2,50,000. The remainder of the income tax at 5%. The second step of elif statement is that elif income is less than or equal to 7,50,000. The tax remainder of the income is income minus 5 lakh. The remainder of the income tax at 10% plus 12,500. I am just going to repeat this step for remaining value. After this, I am going to print statement that is you owe tax and whatever is inside tax variable rupees in tax.